Good morning, guys. It's about 4 a.m. in the morning, and this is Jinx. I want to show you quickly what's happening on my account. Let me take you to my execution blotter. So, in my previous video, I was telling I was trying to hit a $100 milestone. So, I did hit the $100 milestone. Basically, I made a gold trade for 176.22, and these are the trades that I made for last week. So anything um, from 30th of September is the trades I made, and most of them are a profit. This is a negative one because if you look at this one, I accidentally clicked the sale button and I had to quickly get out of the trade. And let me show you the open position. So I have been holding this particular Euro USD for a long time. I was trying to make a quick profit, but it went against me, so I did not accept the loss. So I'm holding it until it comes back up. I'm not gonna take this bloody loss. I was only trying to make a profit of like $15. Now it's showing like a loss of $63, and this bloody thing is been consolidating like for like a long time. So I bought it here and I wanted to sell it here, and immediately it started going down. And when I look at it on a like a log like a for a longer time frame, like a day, it's going up. So when you look at it for fourth hourly, it's kind of going down. Let's go 15 minutes. It's actually going down. It might go further down. So I don't know what to do, but they say it will eventually come back to its average price. So that's what I'm hoping, and I'm wanting it to come back up. I haven't accepted the loss, and I did pretty much the same thing on my FTMO account. I have similarly, like I did a gold trade. I made a good profit. Where do I show you my, yeah, like I got a account for 15k. It's right now 60, sitting at 15359.89. I made a profit of like 500 something, but I made a loss of 200. And also, like, I closed some random like I made instead of making it a transaction in a lot, I made like individual 10 contracts, but I closed it immediately because on this particular C trader they have a very high margin, and if I open many, I am going to incur a lot of fees if it goes against me, so I closed them. Yeah, guys, that's it. I think it's hardly 2 months into trading, and right now I'm profitable, and I've bought a lot of Udemy courses to game up, and I'll keep you posted. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.